In 100 years, space travel will have transformed from the domain of a select few astronauts into an integral part of human civilization. Imagine standing on a bustling spaceport, gazing up at a sky streaked with the shimmering trails of spacecraft departing for destinations, both near and unimaginably far. The age of mere exploration has given way to a new era of expansion, connection, and discovery, where the boundaries between Earth and the cosmos have blurred, and humanity's reach extends deep into the solar system and beyond. The journey begins long before liftoff, with technology so advanced that the word rocket seems almost quaint. Propulsion systems have evolved far beyond chemical fuel. Fusion engines, fueled by abundant isotopes harvested from the moon or asteroids, provide steady and efficient thrust. Some ships harness the power of directed energy propulsion, using ground-based or orbital lasers to accelerate light sails to incredible speeds. Others rely on advanced ion drives, capable of continuous acceleration over vast distances. These innovations have dramatically shortened travel times. What once took months now takes mere days, and the outer planets, once distant dreams, are within easy reach. The spaceports themselves are marvels of engineering, built high above the clouds on floating platforms or at the edge of the atmosphere. Some are tethered to the ground by carbon nanotube space elevators, allowing for a steady stream of cargo and passengers to ascend gently into orbit. The process of leaving Earth has become as routine as boarding a plane once was, and a whole industry has blossomed to cater to the needs of travelers, settlers, and explorers. Stepping aboard a spacecraft, passengers find themselves in environments designed for comfort and health. Artificial gravity, created by rotating sections or advanced gravitic technology, eliminates the long-term effects of weightlessness. Living quarters are spacious and customizable, with panoramic windows offering breathtaking views of Earth, the stars, and the swirling colors of distant nebulae. Food is fresh, grown in onboard hydroponic gardens, and entertainment options are limitless, with immersive virtual reality experiences making the journey itself as memorable as the destination. Safety is paramount. Advanced AI systems monitor every aspect of the ship, predicting and correcting issues before they arise. In the unlikely event of an emergency, fail-safe escape pods and medical facilities ensure that every traveler is protected. Communication with Earth and other ships is instantaneous, thanks to quantum entanglement relays, erasing the delays that once plagued deep space missions. The destinations are as varied as humanity's imagination. The moon is no longer an empty gray wasteland, but a thriving world of its own. Lunar cities, sparkling domes nestled in craters or built into the shadowed depths near the poles, house thousands of people. They serve as research hubs, mining centers, tourist destinations, and waypoints for journeys deeper into space. The moon's low gravity has become a playground for sports and recreation, while vast observatories scan the universe from its silent surface. Mars, once the stuff of science fiction, now boasts vibrant settlements beneath protective domes and within terraformed valleys. The air is thin but breathable, the result of a century-long effort to warm the planet and release its trapped carbon dioxide. Green plants grow in Martian soil, thanks to genetically engineered crops and imported Earth microbes. Cities stretch along the ancient riverbeds, their lights visible from orbit as humanity's second home flourishes. Beyond Mars, the asteroid belt is a hive of activity. Mining colonies extract precious metals and water ice, fueling the growth of industry throughout the solar system. Some asteroids are hollowed out and spun to provide gravity, becoming rotating habitats for thousands. These space arcs are both homes and laboratories, places where new cultures and ways of life are emerging. Jupiter and Saturn, with their swirling storms and countless moons, have drawn explorers and settlers alike. Floating cities drift above the churning clouds of the gas giants, harvesting energy and unlocking the mysteries of their turbulent atmospheres. On Europa and Enceladus, beneath thick shells of ice, submarines glide through subsurface oceans teeming with alien life. The search for extraterrestrial organisms has become a central pursuit, with humanity's understanding of biology and evolution forever changed by discoveries on these distant worlds. The outer reaches of the solar system are no longer empty. Kuiper Belt objects and dwarf planets like Pluto host research outposts and refueling stations, serving as gateways to the stars. Here, the first generation of true interstellar ships are constructed, vast, self-sustaining vessels designed to cross the light years to neighboring star systems. Crews embark on journeys that will last decades, supported by hibernation technology and artificial intelligence companions. Back on Earth, the impact of space travel is profound. The abundant resources of space have ended scarcity, providing clean energy, rare minerals, and vast new territories for expansion. Environmental pressures have eased, and humanity has learned to live in harmony with its home planet while reaching outward to embrace the cosmos. The cultural landscape is transformed, with art, music, and literature reflecting the new reality of a species no longer bound to one world. Education has adapted to this new era. Children learn not only about Earth's history, but about the geology of Mars, the ecosystems of lunar biospheres, and the physics of interstellar travel. The dream of walking on another planet is no longer distant or impossible. For many, it is simply a matter of choosing a destination. Yet, even as space becomes familiar, it retains its sense of wonder. The vastness and mystery of the universe continue to inspire. Astronomers peer deeper into the cosmos, searching for signs of life and intelligence. Philosophers ask profound questions about humanity's place among the stars. The great journeys, whether to a nearby moon or a distant solar system, are not just about exploration, but about understanding ourselves and our potential. In 100 years, space travel is not merely a technological achievement. It is the story of humanity's evolution, a testament to curiosity, ingenuity, and the longing to reach beyond the horizon. The universe, once an endless void, has become a tapestry of possibility, woven by countless travelers, dreamers, and pioneers who dared to look up and wonder what lies beyond. And as the journey continues, there is no limit to where the next century might take us.